Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always so nice to join you. Today we've got an equation question and we need to try and solve it by inspection. So don't let the word inspection scare you. It's actually quite a nice thing. It means you can look at this equation and try and figure out what value k is to make the most sense when you understand what's happening in the equation. Now let's look at the equation. What is it saying? On the left hand side we've got k over 3. What does that mean? It means k divided by 3 equals, on the right hand side, 9. So what do we divide by 3 in order to equal 9? We know that 3 times 9 gives you 27. So that must mean that k, let me just change the pen, k is equal to 27. Now if we apply the rules of equations and we start by writing k over 3 equals 9. Remember, when we try and solve equations using the methodology taught to us by our teachers, we always try and isolate or keep the variable by itself on one side and we move all the numbers to the other side. Now, how do we do that? If we look on this side, we see that k is being divided by 3. What is the opposite or the inverse of division? We know that is multiplication. So we know we need to times both sides by 3. Why do we times both sides? Because if you do it on the one side, and you only do it on the one side, then the equal sign doesn't mean anything, because one side is no longer the same as the other side. So you've always got to do what you do on one side on the other side as well. Now we know that those 3's are going to cancel out, and we're left with k is equal to 27, which is exactly the answer we got through our inspection, where we just applied our understanding of the 3 times tables, and we said that 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So yeah, that in a nutshell is how you would solve an equation by inspection. It requires no working out, just a bit of trial and error and thinking through some of the relationships that you've known all your life, pretty much. That is all from me, guys. Before I go, a very special thank you to our sponsor for making these educational videos possible. If you're keen for more educational videos, remember to check out our website. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send that question to us either via WhatsApp or through the website, and we will respond with a personalized video just for you, and we'll even give you a shout out. Other than that, guys, until the next time, stay epic.